Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts, and today let's talk about the differences between a big box store and buying your windows from a local window pro. Let's get into that. So we just had a customer come in last week, and the first thing they noticed is, number one, hey, all you guys offer here is like windows and doors. You know, like this is really nice, because we just went to a big box store, and I'm not gonna say who. We're looking for doors and we're looking for the windows, but they didn't have a whole lot to go off of. You know, they had the Pella and they had these other different windows that were there, but they weren't interested in that. They were looking at patio doors, sliding patio doors, and they didn't really have anything to showcase. First thing they said was, hey, you guys have everything. We can operate the doors. It's like set so that way you can see how it could look on the inside and everything. And the first thing I said was, well, we're not a big box store that deals with, you know, tools and all types of different home project, you know, things. We do specifically windows and doors, right? We don't sometimes do roofing. We don't sometimes do kitchens. No, it's windows and doors. And that's the majority of what you're gonna find if you're going to a local window pro. Right? Versus you going into, let's just say, a Lowe's, right? No hate on them, but it's the big difference, right? And the people who are working there, you know, they have a limited amount of knowledge of how this stuff is going to go. They don't themselves do the install. They have subcontractors that do the work. They don't have much experience in the actual process. So their job is to basically show you what is there, and then you say, all right, we'll have somebody come out and take a measurement of what we have, and then it goes back to them, and then they give you the price based on whatever it is that they found. But there's limited actual viewing, working with, operating, you know, how is this possibly going to look? There's maybe a lot of questions that aren't answered. What to expect before, after, you know, there's so many things that are involved with windows. If I was looking for something, I would love to have all these answers to my questions, right? And they'll be like, well, you might want to refer that back to the person who's going to be installing for you or whatever. And I guess that's fine, but don't you want the answers up front so you feel cozy inside and you're like, okay, yeah, I feel like this is going to be a good match and let's go ahead and get this done. For us, all we're doing is installing windows and doors. We're going to have all these answers, and myself and anybody who works here has experience in installations in the windows themselves. So they understand exactly how to answer a question about pretty much anything that you may have a question about. And that goes for almost every window provider out there. So the difference is the quality of service of what you're gonna get. And you know that most times when you're dealing with a window expert, you know that they're gonna have their own installers that are gonna take care of the installation for you. And if there's any kind of a problem, just go back to your window experts and they'll have some solutions for you. So it's way, in my opinion, better that you go with a window. And I mean, obviously I'm biased, right? Because I have my own window business. But think about it. This is all we do. They do a lot of different things. And that's great. But when you're talking about your home and confidence in what you're buying and what you're going to receive, you want to talk to those who do this all day, every day. And that's it, period. Windows, doors, I will tell you, you will be 100% satisfied. So go to your local windows and doors dealers. They have multiple options for you. You can walk their showrooms, right? They'll go to your house and they'll demonstrate and they'll show all the things. Even questions that you have about the installation will be answered Johnny on the spot. It's kind of nice. My point is, you're talking about a group that's very large and you're not gonna feel the coziness that you are when you're dealing with a local window expert. All right, guys, I hope this helps. Make it a great day. Before you click off this video, if you live in the Ventura, LA, or Dallas-Fort Worth area and you are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to the website, click on the request. The link is down below in the descriptions. I will reach out to you. Thank you guys so much.